Yeah, today's topic, how to create unapplied receipt in Fusion receivables, or how to create customer deposits in the Fusion receivables. So when we receive the cash or check or EFT payment from the customer, we will treat it as a advance to provide goods and services to the customer. So when we receive the money from the customer, AR user will create an unapplied receipt in Fusion as a deposit receipt. This unapplied receipt can apply to any open invoices in the future to reduce the customer outstanding or to reduce the customer open receivable amount. We have the deposit concept in the EBS article. That functionality is stopped in the Fusion receivable. So we have the option to create unapplied receipt as an advance from the customer. Then we required setups, then define a customer data, then customer, define receipt class, method, and bank accounts. Okay. Then assign unapplied cash account at receipt class and method level. Then, so entry like journal entry, confirmed cash debit, unapplied cash credit. So we can see the entry confirmed cash debit, unapplied cash credit. Okay, right. So how to create, okay, unapplied receipt in instance level. Right. Then log in with the implementation user or business user. Go to home page. Go to home page. Go to receivables applications. Account receivable. Choose your BU name. Go to task option. Create receipt. Select your business unit. Receipt method which you created earlier. Give the receipt number which customer has given the check number or any reference number. Choose the target amount. Enter 4,50,000. Then next you can see the receipt date as a system date, accounting date as a system date because we open the period in GL. Receipt date it is showing the today's date. We open the AR module period. Then you can see our client internal bank name, branch name, account name as a current bank account. You can see the currency as a INR, our ledger currency, deposit date. You can go override. Then select the customer name as a Jaitra. I created this customer name before this okay functionality. Choose the site. Then if customer having the any bank account like external bank account, you can choose the bank name, branch name, bank account. This will be default from customer profile level, like payment tab. I added the bank account as a external bank account. So next, go here, click submit apply manually. Click submit apply manually. Then you can see the amount okay recorded against the unapplied amount fee. Entered amount 4,50,000 and your currency. I did not like apply to any open receivable. Until unless open receivable, system will be considered as a unapplied amount. Then go to action. If you want, you can delete the receipt if required. That setup was controlled by system option. You can reverse the receipt if there are any like insufficient funds once we deposited in the bank account. Then you can do the accounting in draft. You can see the journal entries. You can able to override the some information, but that entry will not go to GL. Let me create accounting draft. Means you can see draft accounting as I mentioned, confirmed cash debit, unapplied cash credit. The accounting has been completed. So both lines are defaulting from our receipt class, receipt method, internal bank account level. I assign the confirmed cash as a like account, and unapplied cash also I assigned it setup level. So you can go to actions, go to post to ledger. System will be generate entry. System will transfer. System will run the automatic posting the single ledger program to GL. That entry directly will go and sit in the GL module. Once you review the journal entry, if you feel that account combination is the wrong, that combination is the incorrect, in Fusion we have the new functionality called override account. You can override the account after accounting of the final status. This is a new functionality in the Fusion. You can override with the new account, reason, submit. It will initiate the another automatic program. So if you look at here, okay, let me refresh. If you go to view accounting, you can see the your accounting period GL. That entry passed to the GL with batch name by system allocated batch name, journal entry name, and it shows the 31st as a today's date. So you can happily like query the journal entry in the GL. You can drill down to GL to AR application to review this transaction. So now status is confirmed. Once confirmed the receipt, once confirmed standard receipt, we will send it to our internal bank account for remittance purpose. Then next, click the save and close. Then we can do the create receipt remittance batch. Choose the same BU name. Select the receipt class which we created, receipt method. Then go to search and one. Give the today's date as a search engine. Then I created first record or first receipt. Then save, approve, save, approve. Then run the create accounting scheduled program. Run the create accounting scheduled program to do the accounting for remittance. To do the accounting for remittance. So remittance, journal entry, remitted cash debit, confirmed cash credit. So both accounts are controlled by your receipt class, receipt method under bank accounts you can assign. So these are all common questions you can expect in the regular interviews, like how many types of receipts are there? Tell me each receipt importance or purpose. Then tell me the receipt statuses, like new status, then confirmed and remitted. Then we may get the question, what is unapplied cash or what is unapplied receipt? When we receive the money from the customer as a deposit, we will create as a unapplied receipt. In future, we can query the receipt with today's date or receipt number as a 1005. Then go to edit button or edit option. You can click the edit, add open receivable. You can search the invoice number or transaction number. Then you can apply to invoice. That unapplied will become applied. So if client requested, I would like to know how many deposits or unapplied receipts in a particular date and month are created at the BU level. So in EBS, we have the standard report called unapplied receipt. In Fusion, we don't have the unapplied receipt. We should, okay, develop the OTBA report to check the unapplied receipts. Okay. So that is overall topic about unapplied receipt. Okay, right. Thanks for your time for watching.